These two phrases sound very similar, but they are used in different ways. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use each one, and you'll sound more natural in English. Let's start with look at. We use look at when we focus our eyes on something for a short time. Usually, the thing is still and not moving. For example, look at this picture. Look at the board. Look at those shoes. Notice how these are quick actions. You just move your eyes to something. Look at often means pay attention right now. For example, look at me when I'm speaking to you. So remember, look at is for short actions and still objects. Now let's talk about watch. We use watch when we look at something for a longer time, and usually the thing is moving. For example, I watched a movie last night. She is watching TV. We watched the children play in the park. Here, you are not just moving your eyes once. You keep looking at something for minutes or even hours. So watch is about continuous attention. Think about this. Look at the sky is just one moment, but watch the sky tonight means over a longer time, maybe for stars or fireworks. Here are a few more examples to make it clear. Look at the menu and choose what you want. Watch the waiter as he brings our food. Look at that sign on the wall. Watch the road while you're driving. Look at this word in the dictionary. Watch the news every evening. So, here's the key point. Use look at for a short action, usually for still objects. Use watch for a longer action, usually for moving things. Now it's your turn. Write 2 sentences in the comments, one with look at and one with watch. I'll check them and give you feedback.